starting to wake up like at 8, but accidentally fell back asleep. But now we're awake. We're gonna be staying here for the next 3 days, and then we're gonna start figuring out how we can venture out. It's been a good, like, what, half a day later. Me and Patty were actually just working on some video footage. We just opened our Polaroid. It's so cool. So this is the one we got. We got the Polaroid Now Plus. And this one came actually with filters. It's the I-type instant camera. And we're definitely gonna show you guys a little bit more about that one. Besides that, we bought more of these Polaroid, the films. I think this one comes with 8. How many did you end up buying?
That one comes with, I think, oh, this was the pack of 40, so this one's 8.
Oh, really?
And we have 5 packs of those, and then I have a 16 pack.
Oh, okay, yeah. So Patty was telling me that these come. Oh, we bought the pack of 40, but they're individually packed in 8. So yeah. So these are pretty cool. Right now we're gonna be heading out to go get some food. We might just go get food right around the corner because we're pretty hungry. But later on, we're gonna go to the. So those are the filters for the Polaroids. It's Patty is showing you. Yeah, but we're actually planning on going to the night market later on here in Thailand, so pretty stoked for that. Me and Patty here at a restaurant that was like right around the corner from our hostel. Check out my dish, guys. This is Thai food. Patty's dish is like a mushroom based dish. We thought it was chicken, but
it's spicy.
So it's mushroom, probably like sauteed in basil. And looks super good. So the food was great. We had 2 vegetarian dishes. Patty thought she was eating chicken, but she actually ate mushrooms. A plate full of mushrooms. We're actually walking to a street market. It's like a 30 to 40 minute walk. We're gonna see if we can figure out the subway station. If not, well, we are gonna walk the whole thing. We're literally just gonna go explore some of the markets. We're gonna go to 2 of them. So one of them is actually a 24/7 night market. Well, they're both night markets, but one of them is open 24/7. The other one's open, well, until I think a certain time tonight, maybe like 10 to 11. Got so many options. We actually came into the Circle K. Oh, we actually just came into the 7-Eleven. I can't believe I said that. Okay, to be fair, Circle K is my favorite corner store
Circle
back in the
K
States.
is my favorite store. If Circle K sponsors me one day, I'd be very happy.
But the customer service is not the greatest at Circle K. Well, at least the people like online. We actually came to get some cream for my legs and her legs.
For less than $1.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, this is what I love about Thailand. So like, it says 32, right? But after the conversion, this ends up being like $1 actually. So 32 bahts is actually converted to $1 because I think it's conversions $1 is equivalent to 132 bahts, babe. So yeah, $1. 22 bahts. 22 bahts. We got 22 bahts, 22 bahts, 22 bahts. So everything's really affordable here. Less than $1 for a snack. One of my favorite snacks. Roasted seaweed. Well, I'm usually eating the United States version of this, but I'm pretty sure this is the same thing. I'm gonna get after you. We're looking for cream right now. Because we're ashy as hell. How about that? Down there. Come on. We need cream. Oh, should I get these? Or should I get this? Okay. Oh, give me a 360, baby. Alright. We're gonna put these away because I'm getting in a bigger bag. Ooh. What you get, huh? What you?
Chicken.
Oh, she got them fried chicken. Let's go. Oh, dude. YouTuber. Yes, YouTuber. I got recognized, guys. No, he just asked me if I was a YouTuber, but he didn't know who I was. Oh, my girl has a light back there. She has the setup. While I'm here struggling without a light. I'm gonna try the chicken we just got. Ooh. It for sure is hot. It's, you know, freshly fried. But it's like It's nicely salted. I don't know if it's seasoned, but it's actually really good. Now you guys can see that Patty probably has a better shot because she has a light. It was really good. So one of these was 20 each. So 20 bahts is, let's see, 20, it's like 60 cents from a street cart. We didn't show you right now because I forgot to film, but this is like 60 cents per chicken leg. Patty got one too. So we paid like $1.20 for 2 pieces of chicken. But we're here in another market, guys. I don't know which market this one is specifically. I would have to look it up right now on the maps, but there are so many things going on. So many foods. Oh, look at the fish. Oh, it's good. Alright guys, so this is, I believe the way it's pronounced is called the Huai Quang. I think I got that wrong, but this is the Huai Quang street food market. So half of the market's on this side, and the other half is going to be on that side of the street. Ooh. Look at that. Look at all the types of food. Oh, look. The pork. The beef. Fish. Wow, looks good. Alright, so we left that market. You guys are probably going to be like, why, dude? Why didn't you buy anything? I was like, because we still haven't hit the market that we want to hit. But check out those big columns, guys. Look at that hotel. That is crazy. But we have at least probably like another like 10 minutes before we reach the other market. The other market is located at least like 45 minutes away from our hostel. I feel like we should have walked. We had the option to take the subway, but we're gonna walk because we deserve this food. Check out the seafood here. Oh my god. That was freaking amazing. They even have snails. Ew. Oh. Oh look, grasshoppers, scorpions. Oh wow, these larvae. You want to try some? No?
You want to try something?
Maybe we're not a bit. We can't leave without eating a scorpion. Should Patty eat a scorpion, or should she eat a grasshopper? You guys have to comment down below. You guys have to. Do you want some?
I love grapefruit.
Hey guys, David from the future here. Yeah, that fruit wasn't actually a grapefruit. That was actually a pomelo. We in the States actually are not familiar with that fruit. So when we saw it, we actually thought it was a grapefruit. We're at the night train market at Rachada. And man, there is so much street food. There's live performances here right now. Patty just got her grapefruit, her nutrients, right?
Gut health.
Her gut health. She has her fiber pill. She has her gut health in check. Guys, I'm getting my mango smoothie. Ooh. Get my smoothie? I've never seen one of these though. These plastic holders. It's pretty cool. Got Doritos out here in Thailand, guys, and the Dorito actually tastes really good, in my opinion. And besides the Doritos, we got a mango smoothie. We got spicy seaweed. This one we got at the 7-Eleven. And Patty got herself a mask for the face. And Patty got some grapefruit. We're pretty much done here at the market. I'm just trying to figure out what I'm gonna eat next time.
I know.
That's the real game plan. It's like you gotta study what you want to eat here. Man, this market is crazy. There's so many foods here, so many drinks, so many clothes. Guys, the clothing here is like $3 or $4 for some shirts. Really nice. Alright guys, so I must have messed up on the audio here. Either the microphone had disconnected or I did something wrong. So we don't have audio for the next probably couple of minutes. So I'm gonna narrate here from now on. Here I'm actually showing pretty much the subway and how the subway system costs. If you see on those left columns, it says an adult. So and the yellow section is actually where you are, what station or terminal. So every time you move away, it's actually like right there, it's 17 baht, and then 19 baht, and then 21 baht, 24 baht, and then so on, going 26, 29, 31, 33, and yeah, so on. So as you start going further and further away in terminals, the more you have to pay. The best way to do it, I think, in my opinion, is to go to those vending machines. If you're a foreigner, to go to those vending machines and just buy the tickets that way. Here I wanted to show you guys a Polaroid me and Patty took at the night train market. That Polaroid camera is actually pretty cool. It's my first time honestly using a Polaroid camera, so I really had a great time just taking that one photo. For the foreigners who actually don't know about Thailand's subway system, it's actually called the MRT. Now the MRT definitely is a really affordable way to get around the city. You honestly just have to get used to how the system works. It's pretty straightforward. You just really have to analyze on the name of the station you're going to be getting off on, or the terminal. And once you figure that out, once you go downstairs after you got your ticket, you actually just need to look at the signs, and the signs up top, what I'm actually doing right now, shows you which way the subway is going. So if I'm correct, the yellow sign on that sign indicates what station you're at, and it shows you the following stations right afterwards. That sign right there, right up top. Once you get downstairs, guys, I would definitely look both ways and try to familiarize yourself with the station. So one train is going to be going one way and the other train is going to be going the other way. As you can see right here in this sign, you're going to notice that one sign on one side of the station is going to show you increasing terminal numbers, while the other side is going to be showing you decreasing terminal numbers. And that's how you figure out what station you're going to. Here we're just waiting for the train. One thing I forgot to tell you guys is that when you're at the vending machine getting your quote-unquote ticket, it's actually a coin that gets dropped off right at the vending machine. They're plastic coins. So these plastic coins actually allow you to go through the entry in the beginning upstairs, and it opens up the gates for you. And all you have to do is tap it on the sensor and the gates will open. After you're done riding the MRT and you get to your final destination, all you have to do is insert that coin into the area where, it's kind of hard to explain. It's an area where there is like a gate, and you have to put it in order for the gate to open. Hopefully that makes sense. It should be pretty straightforward if you ever do this. And the train has finally arrived. So we are literally about just to hop on. I think we only needed to go down 1 or 2 terminals. At the end of the day, that's me. That was me taking a selfie. I found it really fascinating taking the subway train. Back in my hometown, we really don't take public transportation. Usually everyone has a car, and the only type of public transportation we do have is a city bus. Is it this one? Oh, I see.
This is the gate I was talking about a minute ago.
Interesting. Very interesting. I was wondering if they would collect us. Alright guys, that was pretty much the video. I'm sorry I didn't have a closer. I thought I had recorded one, but you guys already know. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys stick around to watch the rest of our journey here in Thailand. I love each and every single one of you guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.